Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover a Facebook hacked account. First of all, open up the web browser on your phone. Then, open up the Facebook site here. After that, click to find your account. Now, you need to enter your mobile number. Search for the account you have on this number. Once you find your account, click on it. And after that, the Facebook team will send you a login code on your Gmail. Now, tap to open up the Gmail application. Once you get into your Gmail account, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Now, go into your Gmail account which was used in this Facebook account. Then see the login code and enter it back in your Facebook account verification. After writing the code, click to continue. Now, enter your account password and click Next. Or you can create a new password to get back your hacked account, and then click on Next. After that, you will recover your Facebook hacked account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.